Scratch programming language is easy to learn, especially when you just start learn coding. In Scratch, we will use coding blocks and arrange them like this. Other programming language is harder, uses a lot of text, and we must memorize the text. In Scratch, we don't need to memorize anything, so we can learn faster and easier. To use Scratch, you only need laptop and internet, then you can go to this address from the internet browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. At this video, we will create Scratch account and learn basic things about Scratch. You can access Scratch in website scratch.mit.edu. Scratch also available in many languages, not just English. To change Scratch language, go to the bottom of the page and change it to your language. In this video, we will use Scratch in English version. But if you want to see your own language, you can change the language. The first thing we need to do is joining Scratch. At the top part, click link to join Scratch. Then in the screen, put username and password. For username, you can type your name. For password, choose something that you can easily remember. Then, fill your data at the screen. You also need an email address. If you are having difficulty on this page, ask for an adult to help you. Next, open your email account. You will receive an email from Scratch to confirm that you really want to join Scratch. Open the email and click Confirm My Account. Now, we are ready to coding with Scratch. Later on, you can log out from Scratch by clicking your name at the top right, then choose Sign Out. To start again, you can choose Link Sign In at the top right, then enter your username and password.